Before performing service on your refrigeration unit, please watch this R290 refrigeration safety video. Follow these steps to replace your refrigeration unit in your glass front refrigerated machine. You will need a Phillips screwdriver. A powered screwdriver seen here can speed up the process. A set of needle nose pliers can be helpful with the side bolts. First, be sure your machine is unplugged. In an elevator machine, swing open the door at the bottom to access your refrigeration unit. Unplug the evaporator fan and compressor. Next, remove the mounting bracket screws and unhook the mounting bracket from the side tabs. Now you can pull out the refrigeration unit. Here the condenser fan power is running out the back of the machine. On older machines, you will need to unhook it from the refrigeration unit prior to removal. To keep the refrigeration system running smoothly, it is a good idea to wipe off the condenser fan in the back if there's an accumulation of dust or dirt. Be sure not to bend the aluminum blades. You can also check to make sure your intake filter is clean. Pull out your filter from the side here. When the intake air filter is out, you can brush off the screen intake by reaching underneath the machine just behind the front right leg. Make note of the arrow indicating the flow of air. Also, make sure the gaskets are formed back into place and stuck securely on the unit. Slide the refrigeration unit back in. Hook the unit in the side bracket. Remove the bracket near the door so that you can place the long bracket in the front of the refrigeration unit. Then you can put the bracket back in place. It can be helpful to use needle nose pliers to hold the side bolt. Plug in the evaporator fan and compressor here on the right side. Make sure they are secure. For more assistance, call Vendnet Technical Support at 1-800-833-4411.